Top 5 Best Sluice Boxes. Best sluice boxes for your home. Sluice boxes are an essential piece of equipment for any prospector who wants to increase their chances of striking gold. Designed to be placed in streams or creeks, these long, narrow troughs wash away unwanted sand and gravel, leaving only the heavier gold behind for you to collect. We've included standalone options as well as versions that come with useful tools and accessories. When users buy our independently chosen editorial picks, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Sluice Fox 23. Stansport Aluminum. Crazy sale.
Secure even the smallest gold flakes.
Sluice Fox Modular. Dream mat 8 inches by 35 inches. Crazy sale.
In the great northern wilderness, adventure awaits in remarkable ways.
You guys are not gonna believe this. Bigfoot stole my sluice. No. I'm serious.
Some things in life's adventures are unbelievable, except the gold recovery in a dream mat.
Complete gold mining kit. Crazy sale.
Once you got it all folded up there, and our flare, which comes inside of it here, it's going to be ready to attach. So basically all we're going to have to do is open this baby up. You're going to tighten your screws down that hold the sections from folding. Get that tightened up. Basically you would take this, go ahead and attach your flare with your wing nuts up top, and there you go, you are ready to go. I'm going to show you when you get done at the end of the day, you loosen up your couple of wing nuts you've got, and this box will fold right back up. First we're going to put our flare back inside, fold it right back up. There you go, ready to go in your backpack or sling over your shoulder for your walk home. Don't have to carry that big giant sluice box with you. Makes it much more portable, very easy to carry a full-size box with you when you go out. All right guys, so we got our sluice box fully open. We got everything tightened down, assembled. I'm gonna show you how to put this in here. Again, we're looking for that magic 1 inch per foot drop. Again, that is a rough estimate. You're gonna possibly use more drop, more water, depending on the situation where you're at. But right here, we're gonna probably be looking at, I think we're gonna be setting pretty good right here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this rock on my box so it doesn't move on me. Again guys, you always want to make sure you got your stuff really secured good. I'm going to go ahead and